There are many advanced features when creating invoices. If you select a term, you'll notice the invoice due date is automatically calculated based on the term you select. You can also override the due date. As you type the customer name, it will show you any existing customers that match what you've entered. If the customer doesn't exist, click Add Customer. This will allow you to manually add a new customer by entering their email, mobile phone number, or both. For this demo, we will choose an existing customer. To add a line item to an invoice, simply search for the item and select it. You can also update the quantity and unit price of the line item. To add a custom line item to the invoice, enter the name of the item. Then select Use Custom Item from the list and input the unit price. To add a custom description to your line, simply click the three dots, then click Add Line Description. Next, let's add a new item and save it to our item catalog. Type in a new item name. This time let's click Save to Item Catalog. Items saved in the item catalog can be used to quickly create new invoices in the future. If you would like to offer a discount, click Add Discount under the total. A pop-up will appear allowing you to input a % or a flat dollar amount, as well as give the discount a name. If the customer has a payment on file, it will be selected to be charged by default. If there isn't a payment on file or you'd like to charge a different one, just click Add Payment Method. This will allow you to manually key in a customer's payment method. If you would rather send the invoice to the customer to allow them to add their payment method, click Send to Customer. Then select when you would like to send it. When sending invoices to your customers, they can be sent via email, text message, or both. If you would like to split the invoice into multiple payments, you can click Split Payments, which would allow you to choose if you want to request a deposit or if you would like to set up a payment plan. When splitting payments, you can split the payments by either a % or a flat dollar amount. The amount of the last payment will automatically be calculated and be the remaining balance on the invoice. With split payments, you can assign a different due date to each installment. If any of the installments become past due, the invoice will be flagged as past due. For each payment, you can choose when you'd like to send it to the customer. You can even charge a card on file. If you already received a payment from a customer, simply mark it as paid. Select the date you received the payment and input the check number. You can also schedule installments to automatically charge a payment on file on a specific date. For progress invoices in which the invoice is still open, simply flag the final payment on hold. You can also add a custom message to the footer of your invoice. Once complete, simply click the Save button in the top right corner. Based on the actions you selected in the payment collection step, the invoice will either be sent to the customer or a payment will automatically be processed on the specified date.